Hey, welcome to Caimera. This video is going to walk you through everything the platform can do. We'll go through each tool one by one. By the end of this, you'll know exactly how to use it to scale your brand. Let's start with the editorial tool. There are 3 ways to begin. You can use art-directed templates to get ahead, or use the Ideas agent, or simply use a reference image. Let's choose a template. These are pre-built creative prompts for seasonal campaigns, moods, settings, and styles. Then upload your product and hit Generate. You will see the first cut of your result that you can refine with some powerful editing features, like the Draw tool, Model Library, and the very handy Compare button that shows a side-by-side comparison between your original product and the generated output to check product accuracy. If you want to change something in the image you generated, just describe it in the Edit This Image section and click on the Edit button. You can also specify where to make the edit using the Draw tool. You're not starting from scratch, you're refining from where you are. You can use the reference image here to add more products into the same scene for styling. This approach helps you get a series of images in the same style, location, and vibe, making it look like one campaign. If you want to create a fresh image with drastic changes, you can edit the model or background and click Generate. Should you not want to edit it yourself, you can suggest the change in the Create Variations section, and the agent will edit your prompts. On the right, you'll see your history. Everything you've made is saved here. You can view it in full screen mode and then collapse it. Over on the left panel, you've got a few more tools. Upscale sharpens and increases resolution for print or high-res digital. Resize adapts the image to different aspect ratios or platform specs. There's also a button to convert this image directly into a video. Should you hit a roadblock, we are eagerly waiting to resolve it. Over here, you can copy the image ID and send it to us on the chat button, and we will send you tips for how you can achieve your results. All the best!